Now, in the energy world, we're watching extreme weather send price movements exploding across markets. Natural gas prices have spiked sharply as Arctic weather sweeps the US, boosting heating demands and tightening supply. This has huge implications not just for energy markets, but sentiment in Forex and beyond. When big weather events cause big price reactions, you want fast execution, multi-market access, and reliable pricing, not fragmented platforms. That's one of the reasons why I trade with PU Prime. I can access FX, commodities, and crypto all in one place, so I can react when opportunities emerge. Let's take a closer look at what's driving natural gas prices and why traders should care. First up, natural gas prices are soaring above $6 per million British thermal units, the highest level since 2022. As a massive Arctic blast sweeps across much of the US, Bloomberg reports that this spike is being driven by a deep freeze that's pushing heating demand way up while simultaneously knocking a chunk of production offline. That means supply is tightening just as needs spike. Classic fundamental squeeze dynamics. For traders who watch commodities as part of their macro setup, this isn't just an isolated energy move. It often feeds into inflation expectations, risk sentiment, and even currency responses. And when markets move this fast, execution matters. With PU Prime's deep liquidity and strong pricing, you can look to take advantage quickly when key levels break and in energy commodities.
Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and they will help you find quality links even when you think you're in the darkest of places and you can't find any clients. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, and they have worked with thousands of marketers, including myself. And the fact that they want to sponsor us today makes me very happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts, then Lead Sniper is for you. They have a Google Map scraper, they have a Google search scraper, and they have a yellow page scraper, with more tools coming out soon. So go ahead, get in the description, click the links that takes you over to Lead Sniper. Back to the video.
Now, let's unpack why this trend isn't just a blip. According to market analysis, natural gas futures have surged by more than 70% in just a few trading sessions as the deep freeze escalates and winter storm warnings spread across states. Traders are watching production constraints and rising heating demands, all of which create an intense short-term price shock. This type of volatility is exactly why macro news matters to traders, and it's not just about natural gas itself. Energy price shocks can feed into inflation expectations, commodity-linked currencies, and broader risk sentiment. That's why being on a platform that lets you trade multiple markets without switching accounts is such a key benefit. With PU Prime, I can monitor and act on natural gas moves, check FX pairs, and adjust exposure across crypto if sentiment starts to shift.
Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and they will help you find quality links even when you think you're in the darkest of places and you can't find any clients. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, and they have worked with thousands of marketers, including myself. And the fact that they want to sponsor us today makes me very happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts, then Lead Sniper is for you. They have a Google Map scraper, they have a Google search scraper, and they have a yellow page scraper, with more tools coming out soon. So go ahead, get in the description, click the links that takes you over to Lead Sniper. Back to the video.
The final piece of this story is how the natural gas spike ripples beyond just energy prices. When natural gas jumps sharply, it doesn't happen in isolation. Price shocks in energy can affect inflation expectations, central bank handlers, and currency pairs. especially those with energy-linked economies or terms of trade exposure. That can push safe haven flows into USD or other defensive currencies, while riskier currencies may soften. Plus, rapid moves in commodities often influence broader market sentiment. Equity is sometimes softened on higher energy costs, while commodity producers and energy stocks can outperform. Traders who look beyond a single market can, combining FX, commodities, and risk sentiment, often see the bigger picture. For that reason, I use PU Prime, their mobile access and multi asset platform. Whether I'm reassessing an FX position or looking at energy or crypto, everything's available in one place, so I'm not lagging markets when conditions shift. So, when you look at what's happening right now, gold making historical moves in natural gas spiking because of weather, it's a reminder that markets are still driven by real world fundamentals. Whether you're trading commodities, Forex, or crypto, understanding those drivers and having the ability to act across markets is what separates reactive traders from proactive ones. That's why I trade with PU Prime. Multi-asset access, reliable execution, and deep liquidity. It gives me the tools to react quickly when big news hits. If you want to trade smarter across these markets, check out the link below for PU Prime. Trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next one.